Have you ever wanted to turn your text into natural, human-like speech, but every tool you try is either paid, has annoying limits, or sounds robotic? Don't worry, I've got something powerful for you today. In this video, I'll show you how to instantly convert any text-to-speech using Google AI Studio. It's 100% free, super realistic, and honestly, it's better than many of the paid tools out there. Stick with me, because I'll not only show you step-by-step how to use it, but I'll also give you a quick demo so you can hear the difference for yourself. Before we start, if you're new here, my name is Mavumbi, and a warm welcome to Easy Tutorials AI. Please remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future tutorials. Thank you, and God bless you. Now, let's listen to this demo.
Let me ask you this. Have you ever needed a high-quality voiceover for your YouTube videos, presentations, or projects, but didn't want to pay for expensive software or hire a voice actor? Well, what if I told you that Google has a 100% free AI tool that instantly turns your text into natural-sounding speech? No limits, no watermarks, and perfect for beginners. And before we wrap up, if you want to go even deeper, I've already made a full, detailed video where I show you other powerful AI tools that let you create unlimited text-to-speech for free. This is especially useful if you're a YouTube creator with a faceless channel, or if you just want to take your content to the next level. Just click the link below to watch that full guide. Trust me, it's worth it.
First, go to Google and type Google AI Studio. This is Google's new platform for testing and creating AI-powered text and voice output. Don't worry, all you need is a free Google account to get started. So if you haven't signed up with Google, please sign up with Google. And if you already have Google account, sign up with Google as well. Log into your account. And once you're here, you get into this dashboard. This is going to be our dashboard here, and in here we are going to focus on native speech generation. So click this one here, and once you're here on your left hand side here, you're going to see there is a single speaker audio and multiple speaker audio. Today I'm going to show you single speaker audio because we're going to do text to speech. So you can create any script. You can have your script, and you can make that script into audio. And once you make that script into audio, you can use your audio for anything you want. You can make a video, you can do anything you want with your audio. Okay, now here is the fun part. You can choose from multiple AI voice. There's a male, there's a female, there's a different tones, all sound realistic and natural. Now I want you to play around with this option until you find the perfect fit for your content. So it's up to you here. Now you got a lot of choices. When you see all this one here, so let's listen one by one and we can see how they sound like. Okay. Now with just one click, Google AI Studio will generate your text-to-speech audio. You can listen instantly and download the file to use anywhere you want in your video, podcasting, or even social media. You can create anything here. Okay, and the best part of these tools is completely free, beginner friendly, and it doesn't slap any watermark or restrict on your files. Perfect if you are running a faceless YouTube channel, or just need a professional quality voice fast. Okay, so now once you hear, we already click here our single audio. When you hear, you already make sure you already choose your speaker who's going to script. Now in this side here, this right side here you see they say text. Now here we're going to paste our script. Now this is the script we have. We're going to paste here, and once you paste your script and you are happy with everything, click run, okay, and it's going to start to create your speech. It's that simple and easy. Now let's listen to the audio. How does it sound like?
Let me ask you this. Have you ever needed a high-quality voiceover for your YouTube videos, presentations, or projects, but didn't want to pay for expensive software or hire a voice actor? Well, what if I told you that Google has a 100% free AI tool that instantly turns your text into natural-sounding speech? No limits, no watermarks, and perfect for beginners. And before we wrap up, if you want to go even deeper, I've already made a full, detailed video where I show you other powerful AI tools that let you create unlimited text-to-speech for free. This is especially useful if you're a YouTube creator with a faceless channel, or if you just want to take your content to the next level. Just click the link below to watch that full guide. Trust me, it's worth it.
That sounds very nice, isn't it? It sounds so clear, it sounds like a human, it sounds more realistic, I'm telling you. So this is perfect if you want to create your YouTube video, podcasting, audiobook, or even use in professional project. And the best part is, like the way I say, is completely free with no watermark. So now you know how to turn any text into professional voiceover instantly using Google AI Studio. Now, if you found this helpful, remember to subscribe for more free AI tools and let me know in the comment what will you use these tools for. YouTube video or content creation, or maybe something else. I read all the comments. Before I end this video, if you want to go even deeper, I've already made a full details video where I can show you other powerful AI tools that let you create unlimited text-to-speech for free and unlimited AI video for free. These tools I'm going to show you in this video, you can create a video up to 10 minutes long. Okay, so if you are in YouTube faceless channel niche, this will be perfect for you, because you can just put a script and this AI is going to make a video, is going to add image, is going to do everything for you. The video is going to be ready, you just take that video, you go to upload in your YouTube channel, and all this is for free without watermark. Now, this is especially useful for you or anyone who are a YouTube creator with a faceless YouTube channel, or if you just want to take your content to the next level. Just click the link below to watch this video. In the description below this video, I'm going to leave the link. Trust me, it's worth everything. Now, if you got any questions, any question you want to talk to me, there's all my details in the description below. You can reach me in WhatsApp, you can chat in WhatsApp, you can send me email, or leave the comment down below this video. I read, I answer all the message, right? And if you need my help, if you want to work one-to-one with me, I'm happy to help each and every one of you. Okay, so thank you for coming. Thank you. And if you are new, please subscribe. I do appreciate all your love and support. Until next time, this is Mivumbi from Ease Tutorial AI. Take care. Bye.